What's it really like to live with a black 2026 Mustang Dark Horse every single day? Not just for a quick test drive. Not just for a weekend. But as your daily driver, your highway machine, your weekend escape car, and your loudest statement on the road. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning black 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse, one of the most aggressive American muscle cars ever built. From the cold start to the interior comfort, from real-world driving to attention on the streets, this is the full POV experience. And trust me, this thing is absolutely wild. Intro. Welcome back to Channel V8X, your home for powerful cars, premium performance, and real automotive passion. If you love Mustangs, V8 engines, luxury muscle cars, and cinematic car content, hit that subscribe button right now and join the V8X family because we've got more insane builds and reviews coming every week. Now let's fire up this black 2026 Mustang Dark Horse. Cold start and exterior. The moment this car starts, you feel the energy instantly. That naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 roars to life with a deep, aggressive sound that reminds you why American muscle still dominates the streets. And in black, this thing looks absolutely sinister. The glossy black paint combined with the wide stance, sharp LED lighting, massive rear diffuser, and quad exhaust tips gives the Dark Horse a supercar-level presence. Every angle of this car screams performance. People stare at it at gas stations. Drivers slow down next to it on highways. And parking this thing anywhere instantly turns heads. The rear view especially looks insane, muscular, modern, and brutally aggressive. Interior and daily driving. Now let's talk about what it's like inside. The 2026 Mustang Dark Horse has a surprisingly modern cabin. The digital cockpit feels futuristic, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and sporty seats remind you this is still a performance machine. Everything wraps around the driver perfectly. The visibility is decent for a muscle car, the infotainment system is quick, and the premium materials make the cabin feel far more upscale than older Mustangs. But the real surprise? It's actually comfortable. You can daily drive this car without feeling punished. Cruising around town feels smooth, the suspension handles bumps better than expected, and highway driving is stable and planted. Until you hit the throttle. Performance and sound. Because the second you floor it, the Dark Horse transforms. The acceleration is violent. The V8 soundtrack becomes addictive. And the rear-wheel drive setup gives this car an authentic muscle car personality that's becoming rare today. This isn't just speed, it's emotion. The steering feels sharp, the brakes feel confident, and the power delivery keeps pulling hard all the way through the RPM range. Whether you're doing a quick pull on the highway or attacking back roads, this car constantly reminds you why the Mustang legacy still matters. And honestly, the sound alone is enough to make every drive exciting. Attention factor. Owning a black 2026 Mustang Dark Horse also means living with attention everywhere you go. Kids point at it. Car enthusiasts ask questions. Phones come out at traffic lights. Even people who don't know cars recognize that this thing is special. And because it's black, reflections hit differently at night under city lights. It looks clean, aggressive, and expensive all at once. This is the type of car that makes every parking lot feel like a car show. Practicality and real ownership. Now is it perfect? Not exactly. Fuel economy definitely isn't its strongest feature. The rear seats are tight. And if you drive aggressively, tires disappear quickly. But nobody buys a Dark Horse to save fuel. You buy it for the experience. You buy it because modern V8 muscle cars are becoming rare. You buy it because every drive feels alive. And you buy it because very few cars deliver this level of emotion at this price point. That's what makes the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse so special. Final verdict. So, what's it like to live with a black 2026 Mustang Dark Horse? It's loud, it's aggressive, it's dramatic, and every single drive feels like an event. This isn't just transportation, it's personality on four wheels. If you want a car that combines modern tech, classic V8 power, daily drivability, and insane road presence, the Dark Horse absolutely delivers. Outro and channel promotion. Thanks for watching Channel V8X. If you enjoyed this cinematic Mustang POV review, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss future muscle car content. Drop a comment below. Would you daily drive the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse? More V8 power, More luxury performance, and more cinematic automotive content coming soon, only on Channel V8X.